Cap 26, or just do the repair and tips. And we've got a degassing chamber here. And with the degassing chamber, you have a lid, okay, that seals it. And right here, you have an O-ring. And you have to assemble these and screw that on and put the O-ring on first. And then put the nut on, put the gauge on. And the same thing with this. You put an O-ring, and then you put the nut. And then you put it down like this. And up here is to, you gotta snip this little black piece off here to regulate the valve to your atmosphere. It also comes with this tube, okay? Put the tube on this end, the right side, and that means it's open. This means it's closed. That has to be open, okay, to degas. And then this one has to be closed. This is to vent the air out. Then you take it and you put it on here, over here, on the pump. And what it does is it sucks air out of the chamber of the tank and degasses the liquid inside. Okay, we'll show that to you in a minute. I also want to point out that this oil chamber right here has to be up to the halfway mark. There's a line right here, so make sure you fill it. You can fill it from the red oil plug right in the back here. Also, when you turn this pump on, make sure the top cap is off or this will blow off. You don't want that. There's a cap that goes on here, pull it off. Gotta have the top off here, like that. We got the silicone mixed 1-to-1, stainless steel, mix it up. Sides, bottom, give it a good mix. If you can see this. And while it's degassing, you keep an eye on it. If it starts going over your lid, you let the gas up. You degas for about 2 minutes. Don't time me. So, it's nice and mixed. Put that to the side. Put it inside your gassing chamber. Put your lid on. Make sure it's on evenly. Turn your machine on in the back here. And it'll start pulling CFM. This is a 5 CFM, cubic foot-pounds per minute. We want to get to 28, 29, possibly 30. We got to watch it here. It's going to foam up. It's foaming up right now. See it down there? Coming up to the top. Make sure you have, there it goes, it just fell. Hard to see, but that's how you degas the silicone that you use. And we're still going here. So we degas for about 3 minutes. You want to turn your pump off and then slowly let your valve off here on the top. See if we can get in focus here. Just slowly let it off, let the air off. Like that. Nice and slow, because if you do it too fast, it'll come up to the top and it'll hit up against the plexiglass right here and make a big mess. You don't want that. So it vacuumed all the air out. Now it's putting air back into the tank and normalizing. Once that's done, the lid will be loose to take off, and you can take your silicone out and pour your molds. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching. Please rate and subscribe.